go.
Good day everyone, my name is Neljin Mata. I will recite the 10 commandments of safety driving as a driver. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care on curves, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. 4. I do disobey highways, sign and traffic signals. 5. I do not make a twist without signals my intention. 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. Do not glare my headlights on approaching cars, and I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the right of very drivers and pedestrians. One set of 10 commandments of the road safety. 1. Thou shalt not gaze at the phone. The last sets of 10 commandments self-clearance. 1. Keep right. 2. Observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. The prevent or untangible traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measure. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver, first come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all. Thank you.